Alright, so for number 9, we're going to do exactly the opposite as we did for the first 8. So here we're already in exponential form. We want to put it in radical form. So the first thing I'm going to notice is that minus sign right there. That minus sign means I'm going to have 1 over n. Okay, so n is going to be in the denominator. Next thing I'll notice is the denominator of my exponent. So it's a 2. That means I have a square root. Alright, so we know that a square root has a root of 2. And then next is my exponent of 5. And there's 2 ways I can write this and both are correct. I can put the 5 as the power of n like that, or I could have written it like this. I could have the square root of n, put it in parentheses, and put the 5 like that. Either one is correct. It doesn't really matter which one. I'll look and see which way they put their answer. They put the 5 on the outside. Okay, so I can have the 5 on the inside of the radical or on the outside. Either way, doesn't matter. Let's look at this one. Again, I have a negative exponent. Negative exponent means I'm going to have 1 over. Okay. Notice I have multiple things inside of there right now, and that's okay. I'm going to look at my base. My base is 3. So I'm going to have a cubed root of, and what goes inside of there is 6x squared. Okay. Now, because the numerator is 1, I don't really have to put to the first power. I could put this in parentheses and put a 1 there. Or I could put the parentheses on the outside and put a 1 there. But because the exponent of 1 doesn't change the problem, I'm just going to leave it like that. If instead of a 1 that was a 2, then I would need to make sure I put the exponent. So if I look at their answer, that's what they have.